in the parking lot.
Oh my god.
Isn't that sick?
I'm taking a video. This is ridiculous. It's a bird convention. They're everywhere! They're fucking everywhere! It's snowing birds.
Look in here on top of the cars and stuff.
Oh my god.
It's an Alfred Hitchcock movie in here. Look.
Oh my god, the birds.
Do you see them on top of the cars?
Yeah.
And look at them on the ground.
Oh my god, they're all on the ground. Oh my god, what it...
It's really gross.
Oh my god! Oh my god!
And they're just in the Kroger parking
Oh my
lot.
god! Dude, they're everywhere!
Look over there.
Everywhere! They're everywhere! These birds are fucking everywhere!
Yeah.
Oh my god! What the fuck is this? What? Look, they're all facing the same direction.
Look at them on the cars right here.
I gotta put this on YouTube. This is so weird. Hi, birdies.
We are like, now we know how Tippi Hedren felt.
I still haven't seen that movie.
And they go all the way up to here and then they just stop. Like they go all the way up.
So
through.
what happens if you want to back out your car?
They jump off.
Oh my
Look
goodness.
at all down there.
Birds of a feather flock. Oh my god, that's weird looking.
It's gross.
It's weird looking.
Oh, I should have the window down the whole time.
No. That's so weird. Is that the
And now
end of the
they, yeah,
parade?
they